Welcome to the Shaw Gen 4 DEF Header Overhaul, sponsored by ABC Companies. All information provided is intended for informational purposes only and should not be used to replace either technical documents, manuals, guides, manufacturer information, or recommendations, nor the advice of a qualified professional. While the information is thought to be accurate on the date it is posted, it is provided on an as-is basis and without warranty of any kind, either expressed or implied. In addition, the information may change at any time. With this task and any other task you perform, always observe safe shop practices and keep your work area clean and free from debris. This grab and go will cover the Cummins engine application only for my year 2017 through my year 2019 Van Hool motor coaches. In the pictures below, we show you the Shaw Gen 4 and Gen 5 DF level sensors. This grab and go is only for the Shaw Generation 4 DF level sensor. Parts needed to complete this task will be the level sensor, O-ring, suction strainer, or filter. Always contact ABC Parts Department for current up-to-date part numbers. Now we're going to cover our Shaw Gen 4 DF header overhaul. First, let's remove the sensor nut, being careful not to damage it. Now we're going to remove both zip ties by cutting them away from the sensor. Now slide the sensor out from the clips. Be cautious not to damage the clips as we will reuse them again. Now that the sensor has been removed from the clips, we can now remove the sensor from the header. Since we have the DEF header out of the tank, it's a good idea to go ahead and replace the suction strainer or filter. You can do this by using a Torx bit T15. Next, we're going to replace the O-ring under the nut with the new O-ring that we got with our parts. If you need the part number, it is at the beginning of this grab and go, or you can always contact ABC Parts Source for up-to-date part numbers. Now we can go ahead and install our new sensor. Now we can go ahead and install our spacer, and we want to check for proper orientation and fit, that it sits in between our two clips before we lock it in. Now that we have the spacer in the correct spot, we can go ahead and install our sensor nut and O-ring and tighten it. Be careful not to over tighten it because we don't want to damage the nut. Now we will use zip ties to secure the sensor tube. You're going to put the zip ties over the clips and secure them. Now that the sensor tube is secured, cut off any excess zip tie. Now let's go through and double check our work and make sure our screws are tight, our sensor is secured, and the nut is tight. Now that we've double checked our work and everything is secured, we're ready to go ahead and reinstall our header unit back into our DEF tank. For any questions or comments regarding this video, please contact us at ABC Customer Care at 877-427-7278. Customer care support is available 24/7.